Dear students, in this lecture I will describe density of states and the application of density of states. What is density of state? Density of state is the number of quantum states having energy between E and E plus dE. So within this energy range, number of quantum states is referred to as density of states. Now, how to calculate density of state? It is calculated in this fashion. We consider GPDP as the number of states having momenta between Px and Px plus delta Px, Py and Py plus delta Py, and Pz and Pz plus delta Pz. So GPDP, in the concept of phase space, GPDP is referred to as momenta space. So this is the conventional way to describe the number of states having momenta component between this Px and Px plus delta Px and so on. And H cube is the minimum volume of phase space. Calculation reveals that H cube of the Planck constant is the minimum volume of the phase space. So if we multiply H cube with GPDP, it will give the volume of the phase space. As if this is the minimum volume and this is the number of quantum state in the momenta space. So GPDP into H cube will provide the volume of the phase space. So GPDP into H cube is the volume of the phase space. Now we will calculate the same volume in another approach, and finally we will equate to find out density of state. Let us calculate 3D box. We consider 3D box having sides Lx, Ly and Lz respectively in the phase space. So Lx, Ly into Lz, this multiplication gives the volume in the Cartesian coordinate system, and delta Px, delta Py, delta Pz gives the volume in the momenta space. So from the concept of phase space, Cartesian coordinate and momenta coordinate. So Lx, Ly, Lz into delta Px, delta Py, delta Pz. This will give the volume of the phase space. So in this regard, we may consider three-dimensional momenta space. This is Px, this is Py, this is Pz. Just like x, y, z. If we consider x, y, z, just consider 12th standard physics. This is x, this is y, this is z. We consider a sphere. And let r be the radius of the sphere. And we consider, this is the sphere. We consider arbitrary volume having radius r with thickness dr. So this elementary volume, the volume of this elementary portion can be expressed as 4 pi r square into dr. 4 pi r square is the surface area, dr is the elementary length or thickness. So 4 pi r square dr is the volume of this elementary section. This is nothing but dx dy dz, or delta x, delta y, delta z. Exactly in the same way, we consider momenta sphere. Px, Py, Pz are three momenta coordinates, and we consider elementary volume of thickness dp and radius p. So this is nothing but delta x, delta px, delta py into delta pz, and this should be equal to 4 pi p square into dp. Okay, so this delta px, delta py and delta pz is nothing but 4 pi p square into dp. So this volume may be written as V. V means Lx, Ly, Lz in place of delta px, delta py, delta pz, we can put 4 pi p square into dp. So this volume, that is the volume of the phase space, is same as the volume we have expressed earlier, that is gp dp into h cube. So we can equate these two. So we may write gp dp equals to 4 pi p square dp into v divided by h cube. So this is the expression of density of state in momenta, in terms of momenta. But in definition, we have mentioned it, density of state is the number of quantum state having energy between E and E plus dE. So it should be expressed in terms of energy. So that's why this GPDP should be converted into GED. So let us explain once again. We consider this GPDP. This is the GPDP. From this expression, this is the from the previous expression, this is the value of GPDP equals to V 4 pi p square dp by h cube. Now this p square and dp should be converted into energy. So by definition, so we may start with this expression p square, you know, p square equals to 2me. So differentiating both sides, 2p dp equals to 2m into d. Okay, therefore dp equals to m d by p. In place of p we may put root over 2me, and this is the expression of dp. Let us put the value of dp here, and in place of p square we put 2me. Okay, so gpdp equals to this. So whenever we put 2me in place of p square and this expression in place of dp, so it is nothing but the expression of density of state in terms of E. That's why left hand side can be written as GED. Okay, so GED equals to V 4 pi 2me into this one m to the power half e to the power half d by h cube into root 2. And after simplification we have 4 root 2 pi v m to the power 3 by 2 by h cube e to the power half into d. So it is clear that density of state G is found to be proportional to e to the power half square root of e. Since this portion is constant, so density of state is found to be proportional to square root of e. Now consider electron. For electron, you know, electron has two states, state that is plus up and minus up, that is up and down. That's why in case of electron is Fermion. This is the expression of density of state in general, but whenever we consider electron, this expression should be considered as doubled. This should be doubled of this expression. So density of state for electron should be doubled, as electron has two states, up and down. So that's why in case of electron, GED should be twice of this. So this means 8 root 2 pi v m to the power 3 by 2 e to the power half d by h cube. So whenever we consider various calculation regarding electron, we should consider the expression of density of state function as 8 root 2 pi v e to the power half m to the power 3 by 2 by h cube. And for other fermions, we may consider this general expression.